Hi, this is Nick Roshdieh with Pacific Sotheby's. Today, we want to cover the topic of should I have my agent put a lockbox on my front door, or should my agent show my house in person, maybe if not every day, a couple days during the week and one day on the weekend. So we're going to cover that topic for you today. The difference of having a lockbox versus an agent is that a lockbox on the door means any other agent can go show the home at any time, given they put a quick call in to let the seller or the listing agent know that they're going by. But the only problem is when they go there with their buyers, the home could be hot during the summertime or cold during the winter. Lights are all off. The agent could be an out-of-area agent. They may not know much about the area, the neighborhood, the community, the neighbors, to be able to share with the buyer about how many kids are in the street, about the local schools. So it's really a disadvantage to the seller to have a lockbox on the front door and have agents go with buyers that maybe not from the local area. The other side of the token, having an agent be present to show the home is much more powerful. Buying a house, as we all know, is an emotional decision first and is a financial decision second. So imagine an agent come with their buyer. They're from out of area. They get greeted by a local agent who knows the neighborhood, knows the community, knows the city, knows all the shops, the schools, the school rankings, and greets them at the door. The lights are all on. The house is not hot, it's not cold, and the agent gives them a really good tour, explains why their client purchased the home, tells them about the neighbors, shows them all the upgrades, how much money was spent in the house, and on and on and on and on. So as you can see, one is a very kind of a flat level, what I like to call kind of showing, and the other one is a very detailed, thorough showing that really gives the house the best chance of be able to present it to a good buyer that may be out there looking for the perfect home just like this, but may not know as much about the area. But now, because that agent connected the dots, now that buyer may be interested to write a full price offer and proceed. So definitely make sure that your home has an agent representing it. That's kind of what we do all the time. And also the agent should be very knowledgeable about the community, the city, the shops, the schools, so that way they can explain all that to any agent that comes with their buyers or buyers without an agent through the showing process. So for any more questions you may have, please let me know. I'll be happy to do more videos on any specific topic for any of you audience out there. Thank you very much for watching my video, and have a blessed day.